Folks, check it out. It's that time. It is November's top 10 plus or minus sliders of the month. All right, so these are the ones that I am favoring the most. Now I'm going to start out here. No, that's not just the Ergo. We're going to be talking about all the novel carry sliders that I have here because each of them are daily carries. There's always a novel carry piece on me. So we got the Ergo here, which I'm running with one textured plate, one smooth plate, slightly lighter magnet setup that I had to do because of, it was set up for stainless steel plates originally, so the weight differentiator between those plates and these plates, you've got to account for that and adjust. This thing's phenomenal. I've got my black Cerakoted titanium Delta. All right. And this one has the PETG plates on it. These are gray PETG plates. And that crunch sounds so good. The weight is perfect with these plates. You're going to notice that none of my plates have the stainless steel plates on there. That's nothing against the stainless steel plates, but the crunch and the feel that is provided by these PETG plates and the other advanced polymer plates are just incredible. Let me show you what I've done with my two carbon fiber here. I've got this one's like Arctic Snow, I think, and then this Turkish purple fiber. I can't remember what it's called. So this one I've got two of the smooth plates. This one a textured and a smooth. All I did, so we've got this grinding wheel, smoothing the edges, right? Just a little bit more of a rounded edge on those two has made these perfect. Now when I did this one, I'm a little bummed because my lines were not perfect, right? You can see that edge is a little janky. This one I just hit so perfectly. I love them both equally though, and they are constant carries. So good. And then I've got my aluminum Delta tile, and this one also has the PETG plates. These are like an ice blue, and this one I've made a little bit quieter. So I didn't do as much of a magnet swap on this one. But this one is significantly less crunch than my titanium version. And I love them all. Okay, so there we go. That's novel carry right out of the gate. But let's count that as one. Novel carry, okay? Here's the other one I've been favoring. This is a Zerk radiator with SS Swiss plates. Now, this one did come with the Zerk Swiss plates that were this kind of tumbled finish. These move a little bit slower, a little bit to that texture. They're just not as fast in handling, not as speedy. And it's hard to describe because when you look at it, it looks like they could both handle the same, but it's just not quite the same. So I think overall I prefer these stainless steel plates on the Magnus sliders. And this magnet setup rocks. I've got these gold magnets here that I can actually get in black now that were just on Amazon, right? So some 6mm by 2mm rare earth magnets. Search that on Amazon. And a lot of times it's like $6 for 50 of them. You buy them, you check it out, you try it. Maybe it doesn't work, but you can kind of build a magnet collection that way. Then we've got these Kukos. This is the honeycomb V4 with those, what do they call them, diamond plates. So nice. And then my Arc V4 with the Teflon plates. You can see those gold magnets in there. I use those quite a bit. They just feel really good. All right. You've got the Pura. This one I've swapped out for some lighter magnets. And I saw someone do a really sick Cerakote and anodization of the two screws that I'm probably going to have Shiny EDC do. They blacked it out and then did purple screws. It looks so good. Now they're doing some different body styles of the Pura too. Wow. I think we're all in for a real treat from 2 EDC this next year and some of the stuff that they're going to have coming our way. How about these Atlantis X pieces from Aura EDC. Aurora EDC. From Aura EDC. Now, these ones are a little bit different because this one's just 3D printed plates. This one's got these Teflon spots or stickers on them, so that it rides a little smoother. Got that clicky ball in the middle. I love the look of this one. So cool. I love that blue and purple. These are both just phenomenal 3D printed sliders. About the gravity slider from Fifi EDC. This thing has just been a really nice, quiet office fidget. It's not too intense on the tricks, but it's got really satisfying clicks. I really like that. Look at that sexy, sexy slider. The Ergo Boy from Fidget Boy. All right, with the textured plates, I've got a little bit of a crunch going on. Now, Jason and John machined this to be able to accommodate 6x3 magnets because they know that's kind of the standard, but it comes with 6x2. So if you want to play with, you know, the functionality and how it feels, how it moves, you can totally change out those magnets for 6x3 and get some different feel out of it. So this has just been an absolute blast to have. Not only is it drop dead gorgeous, and they just keep making them look even better. I'm like, holy shit, guys. They've got a full like blasted Zerk top now. That's got this like kind of just machine pattern texture. It's just incredible. They just keep getting better. So that is a phenomenal slider. I've got my Swoop from Kind Industries. Now this is aluminum top and then these low line plates, or high line plates, I'm sorry. Oh, God damn, is it low line or high line? Now there are two different kinds. Here I've got the Kind Industries corduroy too, and I think these are low line because they don't go as deep. Listen, I'm going to put this information up here because I'll point out which one is which. all right? But I love these deeper textured plates on this slider. This thing sounds so good, it moves so good. Kind Industries is really just one of the top slider brands for me. That is so good. Get yourself Kind Industries. They're on Etsy. Okay. Then I've got my Otter EDC tall chamfer. All right, so this is 3D printed. Shout out to Jesse who printed this Maker Choice top based on the color of my Otter Paw knuckle rollers that he sent me, right? Which rock. And I love this kind of like glitter infused filament, and then this like galaxy purple. And so I was like, boy, I think those colors would really look great together. And he made me one. And not only that, check that out. It's cool, but not only that, he printed me an extra one as a giveaway. Feel free to use it as a giveaway. Of course. So that'll be coming up pretty soon here. We're going to do just a kind of a mini random giveaway. I'll pick a day and you know, we'll figure out how we'll get that to work. But that's awesome. Super generous. So if you've got wrapped light plates, you can get that tall chamfer top in this same Maker's Choice. Love that. Beyond that, I've got my Klondike from Fidget Syndicate. Love this guy. Still use him regularly. I've got my Crux from Lagrange Haptics. Now, just because of the nature of my Fidget case, I leave the 3-staged piece, right, the third longer piece, up on my kind of Fidget shelf. And mainly I use this as this 2-piece. It's just got a perfect form factor. I love it. I love the laddering with curved plates. It's a unique experience. Still one of my favorite little sliders there. Then of course that 42 Cosmo Nebula that everyone's always asking me if they can buy, that I have not yet sold. Right? I'm withstand the pressure. Because this is just a fun little guy with so it's got 1, 2, 3 clicks across. Where normal sliders go 1 and that's it. 1, 2, you're getting 2 clicks. I love that, very unique, very cool. Still rocking my M02 from Otter EDC as well. This is a 3-stack square slider from them. Got a couple variants just based on what Jesse was prototyping at the time, and I was helping give some feedback and whatnot. Works great as just a regular square slider as well. A lot of fun, great sound. I love that TPU top, that kind of rubberized filament. Definitely adds a layer of interest to this piece. All right, and then from Brick Click here, we've got the flip side, which is still just a killer design and a lot of fun to be able to use a slider in a different way than what you're used to on an everyday basis. So voila. Okay, folks, we'll keep it at that. Right now, this is kind of where it's at for me. So I enjoy each of these pieces. Now, again, novel carry. Each one is just so unique. I love them. And then all the other makers in the community, everyone is just firing on all cylinders. Incredible work. Keep it up. Keep machining. Keep creating. These pieces are phenomenal. Thank you, guys.